Hey there, this is Tammy. I wanted to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Just take a look around. I have over 600 and some videos on my channel. You'll see the most recent ones, of course. We go over our 7-figure earner closing callback team. You can earn up to $2,000. Again, my name's Tammy. I've been in this space for past 14 years, and I just love member-to-member business opportunities. They are quick, they are easy to understand. The comp plan, there's no figuring it out, there's no network marketing, thing to get confused by, comp plan to get confused by. It's simply watching a 7-minute video, which you'll see below in the description, and then clicking to register. So the system is only 3 parts to it. So you'll listen to a 7-minute video, you'll choose the level you want to earn at, and then after that, you will get started. And in your back office, we have a brand new back office, which shares, I'm going to share with you right now, it shares your ID number. And on your sales page, you're going to have right here, where this is my ID number. On your sales page, it's going to have the same thing. So we know that this is tied to you. That's literally how you're able to get your sales. So I also wanted to say that we have co-ops. We literally have co-ops where you can purchase traffic. So right here each week I submit traffic for people. So there's always a way to get people to your website, eyeballs to your website. So it's super simple. You can collect your own leads. You're going to see that we have the capture and follow-up system, the autoresponders. We have the 2 main autoresponders, which are GetResponse and Aweber. So unfortunately, my video is going over here to the left. But again, it is super simple. The other thing I wanted to talk about, though, is I do have 7 ways you can get information, 7 ways to get the updates. I have my Facebook timeline. I have my YouTube channel here, of course. And then I have 2 Facebook groups, one a free one and a paid one, and I also have a school group. Then we have Monday Zooms. So let me show you over here. I'm going to go over here to my, and you can also see it on my profile, but you will see right here we have a community. We have a community of like-minded people, and you can find all of our updates right here and all the people that have been joining and all the sales that we've been closing. And it's a very simple system. My son Robert, he literally works side by side, and this is where you can get updated every single week, almost every single Monday, unless I'm out of town. I was in Vegas for a weekend, and you can learn how to get started on our Monday Zoom. So ourfearlessmovement.com, you can register now, and you will get notified, of course, with the Zoom link. And also, if you want my updates, you just want to take a look at the 7-minute video, feel free to do that. Some people, they want to get to the information very fast. So just go to the description below. You can go to thefearlessmama.net. That's also one of my websites. And of course, collecting the lead, the email is always the key to any system. So you always want to make sure you're doing that. This system can be used for any offer. And I will demonstrate that tomorrow night on every single Monday night. And of course, here's the getting started. You can get started. What is a sales funnel? Getting started with GFF. We literally have all the trainings that a person could possibly need, all in the community masterminds. Now, if you want to get the live training, stay tuned and come on Monday, and I will tell you the next schedule. We're going to be taking more VIP members. We've had over 10 in just the last few weeks, as you can see here. Actually, we've had 15. I apologize, not 10. We've had 15 of the VIPs join Get Fearless Freedom. So be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you want to look up the Get Fearless Freedom Elite Crew on Facebook, feel free to join. It is a free group, like I said, and then I have a paid group for anyone that becomes a member. And again, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my updates, and I will see you on the next video.